Hello everyone, let's look at the new data report for new coronavirus. Okay, let's look at the data of China first. So China now the cumulative cases is 80,813 cases, is 103 more than yesterday. And now confirmed cases is have 22,249 cases still in the hospitals, and there's 16 and 9 cases less than yesterday. So that means more cases have been cured these days. And suspected cases is 502, and it's 99 more than yesterday. And cumulative cured cases is 55,491 cases, and it is reported 1,684 cases more than yesterday. So now the China's treatment is become better and better. So more patients are being cured these days, and now still have 5,489 severe cases, but it is 248 cases less than yesterday. So these severe cases is less and less. Before the severe cases it had 8,000 something like that. Now it had only 5,489. And cumulative deaths is 3,073 cases, and it is 28 cases more than yesterday. So the death cases is become less severe than before. Before every day had more than 100 cases dead, but now it only have 28 cases. And we can see the trend is like that. The death is going down. Before like 100 cases, and then 80, 70, 50, 40, 30, and then now only 28. Okay, let's look at the cumulative data map. So the most serious province in China is Hubei province, has 67,666 cumulative cases in total. And follow that is Guangdong province, had 1,352 cases. Number 3 is Henan province, had 1,272 reported. And follow that is Zhejiang province, had 1,215 cases. Next is Hunan province, had 1,018 cases. So these 5 provinces are the most serious province in China, and but the most serious province is Hubei province. Okay, let's look at the new confirmed and suspected cure and death trends nationwide. So from the trend, we can see that the first one is the new diagnosed cases is only have 103, and new suspected cases is 99, and active cure cases is 1,684, new deaths is 28. So from the data, we can see that the new cases and the new suspected cases are going down. The trends going down a lot. Here is the red one, and the orange one is the new active cases and new suspected cases. And this blue one, green one is the new cure cases is going up. And the new death is the black one. The trend is going down as well, and only 28 cases to date. Okay, so let's look at the new trends in the national epidemics. So new confirmed cases in the whole China and Hubei province, and most of the cases are in Hubei province, and non-Hubei province only had 28 cases today, and Hubei has 74. So in total is 103. Okay, let's look at the data of each province. So the first one is Hubei province, has 74 cases more than yesterday, and cumulative 667,666 cases. And there are 43,468 cases have been cured, and 2,959 deaths reported. The next one is Guangdong province, had 1 new cases, and There are 1,352 cumulative cases and 1,234 cure cases and 7 deaths reported. And other provinces, they don't have new cases. And we go through the province that have new cases. And Beijing have 4 new cases reported, and total is 426 cumulative cases, and 303 have been cured, and 8 deaths reported. Shanghai had 3 new cases, and in total is 342 cumulative cases, and 313 cases have been cured, and 3 deaths reported. Today is Gansu had 17 new cases. That's very serious today, and most of them are imported cases. That means the people travel to China. So now China have more cases detected, people from overseas. And in total, there are 119 cases, and 87 cases have been cured, and 2 deaths reported. And Hong Kong has 3 more cases today, and 107 in total, 51 cure cases and 2 deaths reported. Next one is Taiwan have 1 more cases, and 45 in total, 12 have been cured and 1 death reported. That's the data for China. But the cases, the situation in other countries outside China is even worse than China nowadays. And we look at the data of other countries. So confirmed diagnosis had 19,115 cases in total, and cumulative is more than 21,426. The data is going up a lot and going very fast. And cumulative cure cases only 1,890 and 421 deaths reported. So the situation outside China is very serious. Okay, let's look at data of each countries. So in Asia, the most serious country is Korea, had 483 more cases today, and there are 6,767 in total, and only 118 cure cases, but 44 deaths reported. So Korea is the most serious countries in Asia. The next one is Iran, have 1,234 new cases, and there are 4,747 in total, and 739 cure cases, and there are 124 deaths reported. Next one is Japan, and there's 71 new cases reported today, and there are 1,116 in total. So in Japan, there are 248 cure cases and 12 deaths reported. Singapore had 13 new cases as well, and there are 130 cumulative cases and 81 cure cases reported. No deaths in Singapore. Malaysia had 28 new cases today, and there are 83 cumulative cases and 23 cure cases and no deaths reported. Other countries are less than 20 cases today, so we are not going to go through all the details. If you are interested, you can look at the data in Asian countries. Okay, let's look at Europe. Europe is very serious continent as well. The first one is Italy, have 43 new cases reported today, and there are 4,680 cases in total, 523 cure reported, and 197 deaths reported. So in Italy, the new cases is 43, but the thing is that they only reported the severe cases. So some light symptoms, they're not reported. So these 4,680 cases, most of them are serious cases. That means these cases is not, it's not that good situations. Okay, so Germany have 105 new cases reported today, and in total is 670, and 17 cure cases and no deaths reported at the moment. France is another serious country and had 230 new cases today, and there are 653 in total, 12 cases reported and 9 deaths already. And other countries are less than 100 cases, so we are not going to go through all the details of every countries. So I can scroll down the list and then you can look at the data by yourself. Now, most of the countries in the world have reported coronavirus. The situation is very serious and it's outbreak all over the world. Okay, thank you for listening. Please subscribe to my channels and click the like. Thank you.